Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Wednesday, 22nd July 2020, and today I'm going to teach you that how can you change the statements into negative. And today we will learn that the statements with past tense can be changed into negative and how we can add not to them. So first of all, let me show you these sentences. Alright, these are two sentences. Amir plays cricket. Amir played cricket yesterday. These are the two sentences, and both of these have almost the similar meaning. Amir plays cricket. Amir played cricket yesterday. Alright, so can you point out the difference? That what is the difference between these? Plays and played. You see that the verb is underlined here, plays and played, and this is yesterday. So yesterday and this verb played, both of these indicates that this one sentence, the second one sentence, is in past tense. Alright, Amir plays cricket. Amir cricket khelta hai, and Amir played cricket yesterday. It means Amir ne kal cricket khela. So plays is the present verb and played is the past verb. And today we will learn to change the sentences in past tense into negative. आज हम ये देखेंगे कि हम जो past tense में sentences हैं, जो हमारे पास statements हैं, उनको हम negative में कैसे change कर सकते हैं. Negative means उनको हम not ऐड करने के बाद नेगेटिव कैसे बनाएंगे. नेगेटिव हम किसको कहते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल जब नॉट का यूज़ होता है तो वो स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई लाइक एप्पल्स. आई डू नॉट लाइक एप्पल्स. मुझे एप्पल्स पसंद नहीं है. आई लाइक चॉकलेट्स. आई डू नॉट लाइक चॉकलेट्स. सो जब आपने नॉट ऐड कर दिया वो नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट बन गया. ऑलराइट, आई राइट अ लेटर. आई डू नॉट राइट अ लेटर. राइट, I wash my clothes. I do not wash my clothes. Right? She cooks the food. She does not cook the food. So जहाँ पे भी not आएगा वहाँ पे उसको हम negative sentence बोलेंगे. Alright? So these are few examples. Let's read these. She played with doll. Played. Played is the verb and this is the past verb. She did not play the doll. What is the difference? Yes, we have added not here. हमने यहाँ पे इसको not use किया है to make it a negative. And as you know that this is the past verb, this is the past tense. So past को जब हम negative में change करेंगे, we will add the helping verb did. Past में हम कौन सा helping verb add करेंगे? Did. So did is the helping verb. Let's read the second example. They ate dinner quickly. What is the verb? Yes, ate. Ate is the past verb, and what is the present of ate? Eat. Ate का present है eat, eat, ate, eaten. Right? So when we will change this statement into negative, when we will add not to this, we will add the helping verb did. They ate dinner quickly. They did not eat dinner quickly. When we add, one thing to remember at this point is when we add did, right? So we use first form of the verb, right? हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं second form है, past verb है, but when we add did, did not, हम यहाँ पे first form ले आते हैं. For example, she played with the doll. She did not play with the doll. This is played, second form of verb, and here play, first form of verb. Play is the first form, and with did only first form will go in this sentence. So these are the two examples. Now let me show you that which exercise we are going to attempt in our textbook. Alright, textbook page number, open up page number 30. You see page number 30, and today we are going to attempt exercise B1. Add not to the following sentences. You will have to change some of the verbs. Alright, so what is the instruction to attempt this exercise? Instruction is you have to add not. Add not means to make these sentences negative. You see, highlight this one. Alright, add not and then write down negative. Right? Negative means when we add not to some of the sentences, जब हम किसी sentence में not add करते हैं तो वो हमारा कौन सा sentence बन जाता है? Negative. क्योंकि वहाँ पे नहीं होता, नहीं का यूज़ होता है, ना का यूज़ होता है, I mean किसी चीज़ की नेगेटिविटी कर रहे होते हैं हम. Alright? एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन हमारे पास ये है दैट यू हैव टू चेंज सम ऑफ द वर्ब्स. आपने वर्ब्स भी चेंज करने हैं. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स रीड द स्टेटमेंट्स. A. Black Beauty ate grass. B. The master went to market. C. The colt liked rough play. D. The master moved slowly. E. Dick heard a sound in the bushes. F. Dick spoke kindly to horses. So these are 6 statements and we will change these statements into negative. So first of all I would like you to mark the verbs. हम यहाँ पे in given sentences में verbs को highlight कर लेते हैं ताकि हमें ये इस चीज़ का ध्यान रहे कि हमने negative में जब इसको did not as add करना है, use करना है, तो हमने verb को भी change करना है. So यहाँ पे we have highlighted the verbs. You see, what is the verb in sentence A? Ate. B. What is the verb in sentence B? Went, liked, moved, heard, spoke. So these are the verbs. Let me write down. हम यहाँ पे write भी कर लेते हैं. Alright, these are the verbs. हमने यहाँ पे क्या highlight कर लिया? Verbs. Alright. So please write down. आप भी यहाँ पे हर एक के ऊपर write कर लें verb. V-E-R-B verb. Alright. So that's how we have highlighted the verbs. Now we will add not to these statements and we will turn these statements into negative. So for this one, I would like you to take out your notebooks because this is the written work and that's how we will attempt this in our notebook. First of all, children, prepare your notebook for the classwork. Draw a margin line. As always, we begin by drawing a margin line. Write down the day. Wednesday, 22nd July 2020. Make sure that you follow the format. First write day followed by date. Alright? Wednesday, W capital. Classwork, unit number 5. My early home. Topic, negative sentences. Negative sentences mean adding not to these sentences. Alright, before starting the written work, let me show you this one writing script. Alright, this is the writing script and you see these are the small letters, these are lowercase letters and you see how these letters are printed here. These are the 4 lines as given in your notebook. आपकी नोटबुक्स में भी इसी तरह से लाइंस दी हुई हैं. आपने अपने लेटर की फॉर्मेशन को बिल्कुल प्रॉपर रखना है, अलाइन रखना है. आप ये देख रहे हैं कैसे लाइंस को फॉलो किया हुआ है. फॉर्मेशन को सिमिलरली चिल्ड्रन आपने इसी तरह से इसको फॉलो करना है. दीज आर द लोअर केस लेटर्स, स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स एंड दीज आर द कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट्स. आप देख रहे हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो W है या M है उसको फॉलो नहीं करते. यू सी, आपने फर्स्ट 3 लाइन्स में इसको राइट करना है. सो आपकी लेटर फॉर्मेशन सिमिलरली अलाइंड, स्ट्रेट और नीट होनी चाहिए एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो the 4 line formation of the alphabets. Alright, so let's begin with our written work. Topic, negative sentences. आपने इसी तरह से notebook prepare करनी है and then write down sentence A. Black Beauty ate grass. Alright, here you see I have highlighted the verb. यहाँ पे हम सब statements में again verbs को highlight कर लेते हैं, right? Liked. Then we will change these into negative by adding did not. You see here I have used 3 different inks, green, blue. Let me show you closely. Blue, green, orange and yes. So orange is the verb is represented by orange, did not with the blue ink, and the rest of the sentence, this is the subject, Black Beauty did not eat grass. Right? The master went to market. The master did not went to the market. After subject, you have to write down helping verb. Did not, then verb. उसके बाद did not के बाद आपने verb put करना. You know went. What is the first form of went? go. Went, go. The master did not go to the market. The colts liked rough play. The colts did not like rough play. You see, helping verb did not is written with blue ink and verb is written in orange. Alright, so let's turn the page. D. Master moved slowly. The master did not move slowly. Dick heard a sound in the bushes. Dick did not hear a sound in the bushes. Dick spoke kindly to horses. Dick did not speak kindly to horses. So again, we are highlighting verbs. यहाँ पे हम verb को highlight कर लेते हैं. And it will help us to remember कि हमने negative जब change करना है sentence को, तो हमने यहाँ पे verb को भी change करना है. Because past tense में ये sentences जितने भी हमें given है यहाँ पे, ये सब sentences past form में थे और हमने past form के sentences को negative में change करना है. और हमने कौन सा helping verb use किया है? Did not. We have used did not, first subject, then did not, then verb, and rest of the sentence. So that's how you will complete your classwork. Alright children, let me revise some of the important points. Make sure कि after completing the statement आपने अपना punctuation write करना है. Punctuation mark, that is full stop. You see, don't forget to put full stop. Alright, and then highlight the verbs. Similarly आप चाहें तो did not जो helping verb है और verb है, उसके लिए different color भी use कर सकते हैं, different highlighter भी use कर सकते हैं. Alright, because it will help you to remember to focus on verbs and helping verb did not. Right, क्योंकि past के sentences हैं, past को जब हम negative बनाएंगे, we will use helping verb did not. Alright, so that's how you will complete your classwork. Make sure कि आपकी writing neat हो, work presentation should be fine and proper, and after completing this you will fill up the index as well. So this is the index. After writing it down, you will fill up the index. Today is 22nd. Alright, and negative sentences. Alright, so that's how you will fill up your index. Alright children, let me tell you that कि आपने ये जो notes हैं स्मार्ट स्कूल के ऐप पे जिस पे आप वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे ये अपलोड किए हुए हैं. वहाँ से आप प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कीजिएगा और अपनी नोटबुक पे अपना ये वर्क कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. So it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is, you have to prepare the test for contractions and their full form from workbook page number 18. Workbook page number 18 पे आपके ये contractions थे और ये full forms थे. आपने इसके लिए test prepare करना है, and by tomorrow, Thursday, we will conduct our weekly test of English. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining us. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.